When choosing the best non-stick frying pan, it's important to consider factors like durability, heat distribution, and ease of cleaning. One top contender in the market is the Tefal Professional Non-Stick Frying Pan. I'll put everything in the description. Known for its exceptional heat distribution, this pan features a thermal spot heat indicator that ensures proper preheating. Its non-stick coating is durable and resistant to scratches, making it a reliable option for everyday cooking. Another popular choice is the all-clad B1 hard anodized non-stick frying pan. It's highly regarded for its even heat distribution and sturdy construction. The hard anodized aluminum ensures that the pan is not only resilient to scratches, but also provides excellent non-stick properties. Its sleek design and ergonomic handling makes it comfortable to use. The Green Pan Valencia Pro is an excellent option for those looking for an eco-friendly choice. Made with ceramic non-stick coating, it's free of harmful chemicals like PFAS and PFOA and lead. This pan offers excellent heat retention and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Each of these non-stick frying pans offers a combination of performance and convenience, allowing you to cook with ease while ensuring longevity and safe food preparation. The best pan for you is going to depend on your cooking needs and preferences.